bucks for a, I don't know, the seventh one. 11 bucks for a can of pop or a candy bar, but 37 this bad boy. Kind of nice. I've never seen these before, but let's check them out, shall we? This one is 37 grand, 20 grand ever, but nice. I like it. I like these kinds. It's nice. This is one I like right here. Again, storage area. I tell you many times.
Go down the state line, slap different tags on them.
Yeah, probably.
It's identical to that one.
Yep. Yep. Probably. It's probably right. But just take these things out. Nice storage area. I like the colors in this one. I like them. No, it's a nice one. Again, it's the kind I would, if I'm a single guy, I got everything right here. Put my bike in there, my bicycle, the golf clubs, anything I need in there. Maybe if I want to ice skate someplace in a hockey rink or somewhere, you know, whatever. But I like it. I like it. Not bad. Right now it's 21,000, so. This one is 16. Yeah, he's right, kind of the same, a little different. Got the thing here, but more storage in there. Kind of nice. Yep, yank them out. It's what you like. So yeah, I like it. A little different. It's all you need. It's just this place to sleep. You cook your stuff. You go to the bathroom. You consume, and you got your TV somewhere, and you have the time of your life. So, the way I look at it, it's not that tough to make it simple. You overcomplicate on these things, and they get too big. The bigger they get, the way I look at it. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but enough of these shows, I watch enough videos of people getting screwed with what they buy, but that's their choice. So, this is Salem. It's fun to watch. I love going to these sales. The same kind of 16,000. I don't think they have that storage area in there, or do they? You know, see, I like the other one. Yeah, I'd buy the other one because of the storage area. Same kind of thing, but last thing I just saw, that's I'd buy because I like that. Everything's, and then you put an alarm system in here. So, get down here. Oh shit! Yeah, be careful. So, nice. You guys sell anything today or not?
I'm working on it.
Cool. I like those small ones.
Yes.
Especially with the beds in the corner. I take them out and make my storage area.
Yeah.
First thing I do.
There you go.
Alright, see this one is. The bed's in here. These are that ugly brown. Not bad. Got the TV up here. Not bad. Nice kitchen. Room to brew, you're not bumping anything. Nice big bed, you got the shower, bed, it's nice. Yeah, it's, you know, I've seen better and I've seen worse. They want 40 grand for this pig. So, a lot of that's just the same down there. I don't need to go through all those, but the big Salem ones are big. This is a big grill here. Pull this thing out. Grill on that bad boy. You want regular 51. It's right now it's 37. Coachman. Oh. Storage room. Nice bathroom. You and the missus. I guess I want a little room for myself. This would be nice for myself. Nice big bed for my workbench. You know, having the time of my life, you know, what the hell, right? Yeah, that's my storage area. And like I said, you put alarming here. So if you're gonna have anything in here, because I was listening to oh, what was her name? Oh, it was amazing. Even Blind Views talked about it. People stealing stuff, the bikes off the back, which you don't do. You put everything inside. Another one over there. This is kind of nice. Northern Spirit. 20 grand. Bed. Kind of nice. No storage here, but still, I kind of like it. That's kind of a nice big bathroom. It's just, I don't know, it's just, again, like you're squeezing by everything. You can put your bike in here and later on you leave. I get it, but I don't know. This is a nice machine, but I just like those bunk beds that I can pull out, make for more storage. But I guess that's if you don't want to bring anything with you. But that's it's an easy one to pull. It's nice. Not bad for 20 grand right now. If you're gonna buy something like that. This is 31,000. It's a Spirit. Yeah, because you put those bikes in the back, people steal them. That's a refrigerator. Weird place for a refrigerator. The bathroom. Let's see if we'll shower in the shower at Penn State. Not bad. Weird place for a refrigerator, right next to the bathroom, but I don't know. It's okay, a little more room, I think, to get around. Kitchen right here. TV's up there, so not bad. No, not bad. I like it. Isn't that ugly, dark brown, so, you know. They don't know what they're doing when they design these things. You want to make it simple and plausible to get around. When you design something, this should be a lot tighter on there too as well. Let's go over here. More Worship of Salem over here. See a lot of flagstaffs on the road. Supposed to be a lot tighter. Old people are walking on these things. Nice. The bathroom over here. It's kind of nice. I like it. I like the soft colors. Nice. I like the kitchen. TV's right up here. You sit right here with your friends and watch my young ass, huh? Nice. Not bad. Guaranteed I'm going to get popped for music, but they'll all be taken off. You know, worry about that behavior. So, oh, goodness. Another one. This one's regular 64 right now. 22 grand off. It's 42. It's a weird bed. It's weird. Nice. But I do like those bunk beds in the corner. You pull out, you have room. This is a nice storage area back in here. You could take that off, take that out, and you could have the storage area. And if someone wants to sleep here, they can. So I get it. This is my storage area right here. Put like a thing up here. Put all that stuff in there. But you can have someone that want to come along and sleep. They can sleep here. So this could be this be a likable one. I like it. Not bad. But see, you got the stairway there too as well, which I don't like. I don't want to be going. Well, I guess not. It's just a weird bed. I don't know. Who am I? Just a consumer of common sense, right? Consumer of common sense. I know that sometimes can be difficult. I don't need to go over there. Let's cut through here. Well, let's get one more here. Campsite Reserve. Little Queen here. Call Mr. Fahrenheit. I miss Eddie. I wish Eddie would have lived for longer than he did. Too bad. Queen. It's too bad, Eddie. Wherever you're at, Eddie, man, I miss you. I don't know. This is like a 7th of 8 video. I have no idea. I like this one. Nice. Nice bed. Couch. Kitchen. I like how they have everything all kind of recessed in. Bathroom is nice. Plausible. The shower in the shower at Penn State. Not bad at all. Not bad. I've seen better and I've seen worse. But yeah. TV's right there. You can watch yours truly. Yeah. Watch me ramble on. I guess it's coming up here is the Daily Woo in Anaheim for his celebration of life. Jesus, look at this, baby. Running this sucker. Sticking out like that. Cool. Oh my goodness. Don't stop me. Go outside. Yeah, we'll finish up this video kind of over here and we'll go to the other side. Queen was a great band, man. The movie is the best. Here, my storage area. Get rid of it. Perfect. There you go. So, my storage area. Before. That bed's weird. I don't know what this is all about. Why this isn't. I don't know, but whatever. It's kind of cool. Yeah, this is my. Right here. Right here. Mine. I like it. I like you. You and the wife. Because you got room to sleep on. Your storage area in here. TV comes up. I like it. I like this one. Scoutport approved. I like you. Can't stop me now. 32,000. Not bad. Salem. I'll take that one. Consumer of common sense. 34 grand. Oh yeah. Ooh, nice. Oh wow. Nice. Like the kitchen. I like it kind of sitting outside watching. Very nice. Well done. Nice TV sitting on the couch. The bathroom. The workbench. Very nice. I like it. Nice shower. I like it. I like you. These are the kind, you're in Arizona, you drop this for a month and a half and go play golf everywhere. I'm a whore for public golf courses and if I get on water rides, hiking, biking, whatever else. I'm a whore for that behavior. Oh, this is right now 42 grand. Salem. Ooh, nice. I like this one. It's kind of nice. Hell yeah. Sweet. I love the chairs. Something different. Nice TV. The whole 9 yards. But anyways, guys. All right. On the next one. All right.